Hi, and welcome to the Beginner's Guide to WordPress. My name is Rod Martin, and I'll be your instructor for this course. In this first part of the course, I want to talk about WordPress, what it is. We'll get you set up and installed on a web server, and then we're going to focus immediately on content, because WordPress's strength is its amazing ability to create really great looking content. Well, WordPress is open source software that you can use to create a beautiful website, blog, or app. It's been around for a number of years. You can see some of the really great designs here at wordpress.org, as well as download the software, and we'll do that in the next video. WordPress is trusted to run 32% of the entire internet. That's not 32% of content management sites. That's 32% of the entire internet, from hobbies to huge news sites. And here's just a few of them right here. You can click here and discover more sites built with WordPress if you want. Well, WordPress comes with some amazing features. Customizable design, it's search engine friendly out of the box, it's responsive out of the box. You have some powerful media management tools, it's accessible, great security. You can manage it from any device. And there are over 45,000 plugins that you can use to make your website do whatever you need it to do. WordPress is surrounded by a huge community, and they are all volunteers. Open source software is fueled by the volunteer community around it, and WordPress has one of the best. You can find a local community here at wordpress.org as well. And then there's lots of tutorials to get you started with WordPress. Of course, this tutorial is hopefully the only one you'll need. And so as we wrap up this quick introduction, we're going to install WordPress, get you set up, go over the dashboard and some introductory screens, and then we'll focus in on creating fantastic content. Before we get started, I want to thank our good friends over at Glowhost for supporting and sponsoring these videos. Glowhost offers WordPress hosting from the smallest blog to even the largest sites. They're over at glowhost.com. And just to say thank you for watching this video, we've got a coupon which will give you 60% off your first invoice. I should point out that the longer term orders save the most money with this coupon. So if you purchase a 1-year subscription, well, that's 60% off your entire first year versus just 60% off 1 month. So again, thank you to our good friends over at Glowhost for providing these videos and giving you the opportunity for a great deal.